Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this story, I will tell you how you can remove this section break. Means I want to move this text from second page to first page, but it is not moving. In your scenario, it looks like this. So I want to move this work experience to the above page, but it's not working due to the a section break. So if you want to see this section break, you have to click on pi. After clicking on pi, here you will see that section break. It means you cannot move this work experience, means this second page text to the first page. So you have to remove this by, you just have to select this section break and then you have to press the backspace. After backspace, here you can see that easily this move above. So by this method, you can remove the break space, page break or section break. If you find this video is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe us. Then you can remove this pie by clicking here. So here you can see that now you can easily do the work. If you find this video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe this channel for more information. Thanks for watching. Take care.